यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्। जय श्री महाकाल सभी को। मेरा नाम है मोक्ष चौहान। मैं सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर सीबीएसई संजय पार्क मंदसौर से आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करता हूं। भारत भारत हमारी आन, हमारी बान, हमारी शान। इंडिया भारत, our pride, our nation, our honor, our motherland in which we live, in which we sacrifice our life to protect it. Once upon a time, Bharat is known as the golden bird, सोने की चिड़िया। इस नाम से भारत को जाना जाता था। But some invaders intrude and try to invade India. But the persons who protect it are the real warriors. And this is our today's topic: great warriors of Bharat, ancient and modern. A warrior is a person who sacrifices life to save the world, his motherland. Let us move first to the ancient warriors of India. The first one is the Chandragupta Maurya, the disciple of the greatest knowledgeable person, Chanakya. Chanakya was known as the most knowledgeable person of our country till now. He guided Chandragupta. Chandragupta defeated the Nanda dynasty king Dhananand, and he also defeated one of the greatest Greek invaders, Seleucus, in the battle of Jhelum. Next we have the king of Ujjain, Samrat Vikramaditya. There is one of the biggest misconception that Vikramaditya never fought a war. But मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने आज तक एक भी फेमस लड़ाई इसलिए नहीं लड़ी है क्योंकि आज तक कोई दुश्मन हिम्मत ही नहीं कर पाया इनके सामने आने की। इनमें इतनी शक्ति थी कि आज तक इनसे किसी ने युद्ध ही नहीं करा क्योंकि उन्हें पता था अगर हम सम्राट विक्रमादित्य के सामने जाएंगे तो जीतने का तो कोई स्थान ही नहीं बनता है। उसके बाद आते रिस्पेक्टेड सम्राट पृथ्वीराज चौहान, द लास्ट राजपूत रूलर ऑफ अजमेर एंड दिल्ली. Once upon a time, he defeated Muhammad Ghori 17th time, but in the last time, he defeated that Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori gouged his both eyes. उनकी आंखों में स्टील के पाइप्स घुसा दिए गए और उनकी दोनों आंखें निकाल ली गई. Still, he fought till he died. He killed Muhammad Ghori from just a secondary cage. एक एम्फी थिएटर में एनुअल फंक्शन था मोहम्मद गौरी ने, जहां उन्हें पृथ्वीराज चौहान को बंदी बना के रखा था. उनके सामने शर्त थी, उनको केवल एक तीर दिया गया था मोहम्मद गौरी को मारने के लिए. तभी उनके फेमस पोएट चंद बिदाई ने एक बहुत फेमस पोएम गई. 24 गज 4 बांस अष्ट उंगल प्रमाण, सामने बैठा सुल्तान धनुष उठा तीर चला चौहान. He killed Muhammad Ghori from the ground and he also killed 4 lions while he is blind. उनकी दोनों आंखें नहीं थी फिर भी उन्होंने 4 शेरों को अकेले मारा है. Next we have Maharana Pratap, known as the strongest Rajput warrior of India. Maharana Pratap, with a weight of 130 kgs, armor of 50 kgs, 20 kg sword and a bow of 90 kgs. His total weight of 320 kgs, which we cannot imagine. आजकल तो लोगों को 50 किलो वजन उठाने में भी उनकी हालत खराब हो जाती है. And this man carries 320 kgs on his back with his one of the most famous horse, Chetak. He fought the famous battle of Haldighati and never bowed against the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Next we have the Swaraj King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, with the dream of Swaraj in the small infants to the older ones. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जो कि गुरिल्ला वॉरफेयर के मास्टर थे, he defeated Azam Khan with just a single trackers. Now, after the Mughals and Afghans, let us move to modern history. India was next defeated and conquered by Britishers, and the first queen to defeat in the 1857 revolt, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jhansi ki Rani. Manikarnika, who fought against Britishers carrying his small infant on his back. अपने छोटे से बच्चे को पीठ पे लेकर उन्होंने ब्रिटिशर्स का सामना किया. सीने पे 4 गोली के बावजूद उन्होंने 150 से ज्यादा ब्रिटिशर्स को मारा. Next we have Bhagat Singh. He bombed on the assembly of Britishers. He hanged on the Phansi in the National Assembly with his 2 friends. Sam Manekshaw, the first field marshal of India, who helped Indira Gandhi to settle down many wars in the 1970 Indo-Pak War. Next we have Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Vikram Batra was known as one of the major and important person in the Indian society as he participated in the famous Kargil War उनका एक बहुत फेमस है जो कि मूवीज में भी आपने सुना होगा, दिल मांगे मोर. It was conquered by him and he fought in the Battle of Kargil and won many awards. Here is the clip where he fought in the Battle of Kargil. Operation Sindhu. After the Pahalgam attack, Indian government fought and the two queens of this program, Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, they both took an air strike and demolished all the Pakistani militant base. In the end, our many soldiers, many warriors died to carry their motherland, India, to protect themselves. They not just give their heart, dedication, bravery, and courage to the country. They just fought for this country and died till the soil. It's our responsibility to protect our country, and if we cannot carry any step towards our country, that's not our country responsibility. And the last, I want to say thank you so much.